We've done everything. We've got from fitted t-shirts to long fitted dresses to flared dresses to long coats, short jackets, almost everything.
Your passion for jackets never going to die.
Sorry?
Your passion for
My
jackets.
passion for jackets is never going to die.
Thank you.
Hi. Thank you. Kind of events that are going to help globalization of Indian fashion, because you'll never get to see so many international buyers in the same room for one designer, and I think this is the only way the international buyers and the international press and international people, the people of the West are actually going to be able to take Indian fashion seriously. And today I noticed in my show most of the claps were coming from the buyers, from the international buyers, which to me is wow, amazing feeling.
Would that this time your favorite color white was missing?
Yeah, well, that's like I said earlier also, I think the only thing important about fashion must keep changing. And yes, white always remains my favorite color, but I wanted to do something different. This was what my heart felt right now, and that's what you saw.
Okay, ये बताइए गुड्डा इंटरनेशनल बायर्स को ख्याल करके इस बार डिजाइनर्स अपना कलेक्शन तैयार कर रहे हैं, क्या कहना है आपका इसके बारे में?
एक्चुअली मैंने तो कलेक्शन अपने लिए बनाई है, चाहे वो इंटरनेशनल बायर्स खरीदें या डोमेस्टिक बायर्स खरीदें, उससे मुझे कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. मैंने ये कलेक्शन अपने आप को खुश करने के लिए बनाई है. इस कलेक्शन से मैं खुश हूँ, और मुझे जो और कोई सोचता है या कहता है उसके बारे में मुझे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा. आई लव माई क्लोथ्स एंड आई लव देम बिकॉज दे वर मी. दे वर वो मतलब जो मैं हूँ वो ही अपने रैम पर देगा. सो आई मीन जो कौन खरीदेगा उसके बारे में मैंने सोचा भी नहीं.
There was a rumor Arjun is coming, Arjun Rampal is coming on Ram.
No. There was never. I don't know who spread that rumor, but he called me just before my show to wish me.
Do you think the India Fashion Week this year is, more professionally managed in terms of, it has been?
I think it's. I think just looking at the stalls, looking at the areas, looking at the two ramps, I'm completely impressed, and I think it's fantastic that we're taking this to a different level altogether. My only concern is that I hope that all the designers that show in India Fashion Week are of a certain caliber, and I just hope that we can keep a certain standard of quality, of workmanship, of design, and that's my only concern right now.
The theme you have given to your collection is
It's vintage autumn.
why
Well, I like the feeling. I like the feeling of this. That's why. Simple.
What do you think?
Why? Because I feel like that right now. I feel like being in a beautiful place where it's snowing outside, and I want to wear those clothes. That's why.